Hi, I'm Jeff with Precision Replacement Parts. Today I'm going to show you how to install a GRB 2110-83. It fits a 1982 to 93 Ford Ranger and Bronco 2 with models without vent assembly. We're going to be putting on this door here that we took off the cab so we can more easily show you the process. The tools you'll need are Alright, the first thing you need to do is remove the door panel. Now our door panel is missing a few parts, but I'm going to show you what you need to do. There's a screw here you'll have to take out. Normally there's a cover right here with one screw in the middle, so you take out this screw, pop this cover off, and then you need to take your clip removal tool and go around and pop loose all the clips. Like I said, our clips are broken on this panel, but you just find the clip, pop it out, and go all the way around, and then you're ready to take off the crank arm. You take our Weatherstrip installation tool, just kind of gently pop this off. Now you want to spin it out of the way. Now you're going to take your T20 Torx here. Take this off. Alright, we have all the stuff removed that we need to. We can take the door panel off now. What you need to do is kind of lift up and then take it off. And go ahead. It comes off. And then you notice, normally we have our belt line molding here, and this is an XLT, so it would be stapled on, and you would need to cut the staples to get the old belt line off, but we already have this one off, so we'll keep going. If you have a non-XLT door, the inner belt line will be attached directly to the door itself. You'll take it off in the same method as we're going to show you right now on the outer. And what I'm going to do is kind of pull to the inside and up to release the clips. Now, one thing you want to be careful of is the metal clip so you don't scratch your paint. And you can kind of move the door glass a little bit. So here are the clips. Be careful so you don't scratch your paint. We're going to go ahead and take out the glass run now. I'm going to start here and just kind of pull down on it. Should be able to get it out. Okay, I got it. I'm going to keep pulling it down. And then I'm going to pull up here out of the back of the door. And then I'm going to do the same thing here. Now sometimes what happens is the old piece breaks off here, but no worries, just pull it out. And we're going to get ready to install a new one. Alright, we're going to go ahead and install a new glass run. You'll notice that Ford designed this nice little end here. What you need to do is take it and turn it 180 degrees. And then push it in. And you're going to squeeze it together, and we're going to go ahead and install it, noting that this goes behind. There's a tab in the door that we're going to put it behind. Then squeeze it together so you can get it into the door. It lined up, and then we're going to go ahead and start putting the glass run into the door. And I'm going to go ahead and kind of squeeze it together and push it into the channel. I'm going to keep doing this, and I'm going to work my way all the way back to the back side of the door. Alright, I took some of our PRP 0075 rubber lubricant, and I put it on the glass run, and I put a little bit into the channel here. So we're going to go ahead, pinch this together and slide it into the channel. Make sure you have the door glass all the way down. That'll make life a little bit easier. I'm going to keep working this down until I get rid of this slack here. Okay, now I'm going to go put it in the channel here. Okay. And I'm going to take my Weatherstrip installation tool here, kind of help seat it in the channel. Then I'm going to look down the door and make sure that everything lines up good. If need be, push it in. We're going to go ahead and install the outer belt line molding. So this one has clips, and we got to line them up to the holes in the door here. And you notice the front is notched out. What you want to do is kind of get the clip started in the hole. Start with that one, the front. Then you can use your finger and pull the glass toward the inside. And this is where you want to be careful so you don't scratch your paint with the clips. Kind of get them inside. And just push them in until they pop into the holes all the way. Make sure they're seated all the way and they line up correctly. We're going to go ahead and install the door panel back on the door, the exact opposite of how we took it off. Note that where the cutout is on the belt line goes behind the seal up front here. So you gotta make sure that you get up over the edge of the door and line up your lock mechanism here. Push it back down. Sure you got it on all the way. Now, this is where you normally would put the clips back in the door. Our clips are broken, but you would go push it in, lock it in all the way around. Put your screws back in the armrest, put your cover back by your door. We got the crank arm back on in the reverse order that you took it off. Now we're just going to make sure the window goes up and down properly. Maybe a little stiffer at first until everything kind of breaks in, but everything seals good and you're done.